Hop into the 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make your daily drive the best it can be in this sleek, modern Jetta. You'll love its assertive performance, modern style, and connected tech. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Make every journey a pleasure in this comfortable, well-appointed Jetta. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.